Hello, hello. Today we went to check out how a recent customer had transformed their front garden with our free garden design service.
Hi, I'm Emma.
Hi, I'm Aiden.
And welcome to our garden. It was great. We looked it up online. We had looked at going to quite expensive landscape designers beforehand and it didn't fit in our budget. So when we found Chris, we were really happy. We went in and he just had this vision for what we could do with the space. And we came home and made it happen. It's been great. What attracted us to coming to Hello Hello Plants was we could go in, we could see Chris. It was $100 for the consultation, and when we bought the plants that was taken off the price of the plants, so essentially it was free, which is awesome for our budget. We also got free delivery, and Chris gave us a few extra boxwood plants which we really needed to fill out the hedge, so it was great. We were on quite a tight budget because we had just finished renovating the house, so our budget was $1,500 and we got the little one here. So it was $1,500 and Chris was able to design something that we could afford within that price range, and it all worked out.
After the consult with Chris, we sort of done a bit of Googling on what his sort of vision was, and we thought it'd be really great. So we've really stuck to his sort of plan, and yeah, it looks really great.
Like and follow for more.